Dear student, today we will discuss about the statistics. First of all, we see the frequency distribution of data. Let's see frequency distribution of data.
Raw data is the data that has not been analyzed for underlying patterns or meaning. For example, here we have some raw data on the scores of 5 students in a test. The maximum value is the highest value in the data. In this example, the maximum value in the raw data is 49. Similarly, the minimum value is the lowest value in the data. Here, the minimum value in the raw data is 39. The range is the difference of the maximum and minimum values of data. It shows how spread the data is. The range of the raw data here is 49 minus 39 is equal to 10. The frequency is the number of times the data value occurs. The frequency of 42 marks is 2. Here are some ways of presenting data. Tap on them to learn more. Sorting the raw data in ascending or descending order helps analyze it better. Arranging the data in ascending order, we get. Similarly, arranging the data in descending order, we get. As you can see, by reordering the raw data, it becomes easier to find the maximum value, minimum value in the data, and the range of the data. If you notice, for the given grouped frequency table, there is no class to record the value 25.5. To ensure that all possible values in the range can be recorded, we must modify the class interval to make the classes continuous. To modify the class interval, first consider the two consecutive classes, 21 to 25 and 26 to 30. Here, the upper limit of 21 to 25 is 25, and the lower limit of 26 to 30 is 26. Here, the difference between the upper limit 25 and lower limit 26 is 1. And half of this difference is 0.5. Adding half of this difference, which is 0.5, to each of the upper limits and subtracting the same from each of the lower limits will give us the new continuous classes. Thus, the new class intervals formed will be 20.5 to 25.5, 25.5 to 30.5, and so on. You may also notice that the value of each class size has changed from 5 to 6. Hence, it's increased by 1 and accommodating extra values. The convention for inclusion of a value common to the upper class limit of one class and the lower class limit of the next one is that the value is included in the next class. That is, it is only included in the class where it is the lower limit. In this case, 25.5 was included in the class 25.5 to 30.5. Enter the correct frequency values. Enter the correct frequency values. Enter the correct frequency values. Enter the class limits and frequencies. Enter the class limits and frequencies. Make the class intervals continuous. Make the class intervals in this frequency table continuous. Enter the class limits and frequencies. Enter the class limits and frequencies. Let's summarize what we have learned in this topic.